How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in your Windows PC or laptop. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so you can follow out the steps. First of all, let's head over to our settings. Press Windows plus I for that and open up your settings. Go to the option for network and internet and click on Wi-Fi. After you do so, we can select the option called select manage known networks and open it up. And we can look out for this option called add network and click on it. After that, we can enter up our network name here and your SSID. After that, your security type, what it is. And once it is done, we can click on this option called connect automatically and click on save and save up the changes. And it should connect automatically and connect even if network is not broadcasting, and save all the changes and click on done. Apart from that, we can use control panel. For that, we can press Windows plus R, type in control, hit enter, and go to the option for network and sharing or network and internet and open it up. After that, we can look out for the option called network and sharing center. And there we can select the option for set up a new connection or internet network. And we can select the option called manually connected to or wireless network. Select the next option and you just need to enter up the network details such as name, security type, encryption type, security key, and click on next and confirm it up. And that should do it. You can follow out that. And that's it. If your Wi-Fi option is not showing, you can turn on Wi-Fi. Ensure this option is turned on. And also update your Wi-Fi driver. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.